Can you really build wealth with just $7 a day? It might sound too good to be true, but let's break it down. $7 is an amount many of us spend without even thinking. It's the cost of a fancy coffee, a quick snack, or even a small impulse buy. But what if, instead of spending that money, you invested it? That's less than a daily latte. Imagine redirecting that small amount into something that grows over time. It seems impossible, right? But what if I told you that this small, consistent investment could change your life? The key is consistency and time. By investing $7 every single day, you're creating a habit that can lead to significant financial growth. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about making your money work for you. Over time, these small investments can add up, thanks to the power of compound interest. We're going to explore how investing $7 a day in 3 specific ETFs, VTSAX, SCHB, and VT can help you achieve financial freedom. These ETFs are designed to provide broad market exposure, low costs, and the potential for growth. This isn't a magic trick, it's about harnessing the power of compound growth. Compound growth means that the money you earn on your investment starts earning money too. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth. Let's dive in and see how this simple strategy can lead to extraordinary results. By the end of this journey, you'll see how a small daily commitment can transform your financial future. So, grab your $7 and let's get started on the path to financial freedom. Many of us feel stuck in the rat race. Day in and day out, we find ourselves caught in a cycle that seems never-ending. The daily grind of commuting through congested traffic, navigating crowded streets, and working in bustling offices can feel overwhelming. We often wonder if there's more to life than this constant hustle. We work long hours just to make ends meet. The exhaustion is palpable as we drag ourselves through each day, only to repeat the same routine tomorrow. The subway commute feels endless, and the ticking clock in the office serves as a constant reminder of the time slipping away. We sacrifice our well-being and personal time, all in the name of survival. Bills pile up. Saving for the future feels impossible. The weight of financial stress bears down on us, making it hard to see a way out. We find ourselves buried under stacks of bills and paperwork, each one a reminder of our financial obligations. The stress affects not just us, but our families too, as we all worry about how to make ends meet. The dream of financial freedom, being able to pursue our passions without worrying about money, seems out of reach. We daydream about escaping to a distant beach, relaxing in a hammock, or exploring new places. But these dreams feel like distant fantasies, overshadowed by the pressing demands of our current financial situation. But it doesn't have to be this way. You deserve more than just surviving. Imagine a life where you wake up each day with a sense of purpose and excitement. A life where you can pursue your passions and enjoy the fruits of your labor. It starts with believing that you deserve more and taking steps towards that vision. You deserve to thrive. Financial freedom is within your grasp. Picture yourself celebrating financial milestones with friends and family, enjoying quality time without the constant worry of money. It's about creating a life where you not only meet your needs but also fulfill your dreams and aspirations. It starts with a simple shift in mindset. You need to start thinking about money as a tool to build wealth, not just something you spend. Begin by setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, and educating yourself about investing. These small steps can lead to significant changes over time. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to a life of abundance and fulfillment. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your money is working for you, generating income even while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. It's about creating a stream of revenue that's not tied to your daily grind. Investing in ETFs is a smart and accessible way to build passive income. ETFs are like baskets of stocks that track specific market indexes. This means you're diversifying your investments, reducing risk, and setting yourself up for long-term growth. VTSAX, owning a slice of America. Our first ETF is VTSAX, the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund. This ETF is like owning a tiny piece of every publicly traded company in America. It's a broad market ETF that gives you exposure to large, mid-sized, and small companies. VTSAX has a low expense ratio, meaning you keep more of your returns. It's a great foundation for any long-term investment portfolio. CHB broadening your horizons. Next up is SCHB, the Schwab US Broad Market ETF. This ETF tracks the Dow Jones US Broad Market Index, which includes a diverse range of large and mid-sized companies. SCHB is another low-cost option for investors looking for broad market exposure. It's a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. VT, going global with your investments. Our final ETF is VT, the Vanguard Total World Stock Index Fund. This ETF takes diversification to the next level by investing in thousands of companies across the globe. VT gives you exposure to both developed and emerging markets, providing growth potential and reducing risk. It's a great choice for investors looking for a truly diversified portfolio. The power of compounding $7 a day to financial freedom. Now let's talk numbers. Imagine setting aside just $7 each day. It might not seem like much, but with the magic of compounding, it can lead to substantial financial growth over time. If you invest $7 a day, that's $2,555 per year, and earn an average annual return of 7%, you might be surprised at how quickly your money can grow. This small daily habit can set you on the path to financial freedom. Here's how your investment could grow over time. Let's break it down year by year to see the potential growth. After 10 years, $35,638. This is the result of consistent investing and the power of compounding working in your favor. After 20 years, $92,720. By this point, your investment is growing more from the interest earned than from your original contributions. After 30 years, $216,087. This is the true power of long-term investing and compounding interest. Your money is now working harder for you than ever before. This is the power of compounding. It's not just about the amount you invest, but the time you give your investments to grow. The longer you invest, the more powerful compounding becomes. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and so on. This cycle continues, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth-building process. It's like a snowball effect that builds wealth over time. Just like a snowball rolling down a hill, your investments can grow larger and larger, picking up more interest as they go. This is how small, consistent investments can lead to significant financial freedom. Your journey to financial independence starts today. Investing $7 a day might seem small, but it's a powerful step towards financial freedom. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about making smart choices today that will pay off in the future. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. Your future self will thank you.